5 steps to create a vision board and how to use it. Everyone has an idea of what they want their lives to look like. But what if you can't see, or worse still envision, your dreams, hopes and desires? What if you can't see a pathway to your goals? Well, that's where vision board comes in. We've all heard about manifestation and the law of attraction. It's the idea that you can attract your dream vision into your life by thinking about it. That said, visualizing your goals and having a firm belief in that you can achieve what you want in life is helped by visualizing those items into your physical reality. Intentions are the central theme of vision boards, and they are a wonderful tool for self-reminders. They're a set of images or objects arranged in a way to help you manifest your goals or a vision. And when you do that, it's best to have a constant reminder of what those goals or dreams are. So, put them where you can see them, like the bedroom or home office. Once you pretty much decide on what your goals are, it's time to get creating. But before we do that, remember, this is your life and your dream, so think big. To start, you should add images that inspire you or make you feel a certain way. Before we look at creating a vision board and how it works, a little side note on how vision boards work. Because they serve as a visual reminder of your goals and help to direct your thoughts and activities, vision boards are powerful tools. You can clearly see where you wish to go in numerous areas of your life with vision boards. They allow you to visualize what goals you want to achieve. They're a constant reminder of what your priorities are, and it's that constant reminder that helps you manifest the things you want by taking action towards them. Some people write down what they want instead of creating a board, and that's okay too. But vision boards are perfect for people who prefer a visual representation of those same goals. So, let's take a look at how we make a vision board for manifestation. 1. Buy your raw materials. Get a basic board like a cork board or similar. You'll need a magazine or two plus anything else you can find which contains images of what you want to visualize. Last but not least, you'll need a range of art supplies, including pens, markers, paint, stickers, and anything else you wish to use to decorate your board. 2. Think about your goals and visions. Focus on making your vision as clear as you can. It serves as the basis for your entire board. As you design the board, you'll discover that you gain even more clarity and detail. 3. Find those images that reflect your visions. You can also add quotes to your board in addition to photographs. Photos from glossy magazines, and pictures of wealth, self-care, motivational sayings, reminders, calming images that promote wellness, and fitness ideas, etc. 4. Board layout. You should be inspired by your layout. There's no reason to hurry. Feel free to experiment with various layout possibilities until you find one that suits you well. Creating a sharper, more specific vision for the future involves this procedure. 5. Place your board where you can see it easily and as often. This can be anywhere from the bedroom to the kitchen or the fridge, and even next to your bedside table. So now that you have your vision board, how do you use it? Think about making it a part of your daily routine. Look at it every morning and last thing at night so images are embedded in your subconscious. How about meditating on those images on the board somewhere where it's quiet or place to relax, get into the feeling of already having the things you've envisioned. Another cool thing to do is to speak positive affirmations of your goals and your ability to achieve them. Go one step further, don't just think it, speak it, but act it out as well. Get into the habit of, say, driving your new car along the road. Feel how cool it is to have the wind blowing through your ear with the top down. You get the idea. Whether you want to accomplish personal goals, professional aspirations, or both, remember, what you imagine, you create. What you think about, you become, and what you feel, you attract.